In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Telegram groups. Telegram makes it pretty easy to discover groups, and there are a few different ways to do it, including search, invite links, and group directories. In this guide, we're focusing on the easiest method, which is searching directly inside the Telegram app. This is usually the fastest option if you already know the kind of group you want to join. To get started, open the Telegram app on your phone. Once the app is open, look toward the top of the screen for the search bar and tap on it. This search tool is where you'll type in the topic or type of group you're looking for. If you don't see the results you expect right away, don't worry. Sometimes the best results come from trying a few different search terms. Now, type in keywords related to the kind of group you want to find. For example, you might search for something like study group, gaming chat, or buy and sell. The more relevant your keywords are, the better your chances of finding active groups that match your interests. As the results appear, pay attention to the labels and look for results marked as group. That helps you tell the difference between groups, channels, and other Telegram accounts. Once you find a group that looks right for you, tap on it to open the preview or group page. Then tap Join Group. After that, you'll be inside the group and able to view messages, participate in discussions, and explore what the group is about. If you run into any issues, there are a few simple fixes to keep in mind. If no groups are showing up in search, try using different keywords. Sometimes changing one word can make a big difference. It's also a good idea to make sure your Telegram app is updated, since outdated versions may not display results properly. If you can see a group but can't join it, the group may be private. Private groups usually require an invite link, so in that case, you'll need someone to share the link with you before you can enter. And if an invite link is not opening correctly, copy the link and paste it into Telegram's search bar instead. That often helps Telegram recognize the link and open the group properly. That's all it takes to find Telegram groups using the easiest method inside the app. Once you get used to searching with the right keywords, finding useful groups becomes much quicker and easier.